Welcome to Leco Academy. Now in this video we're going to handle a question in biology under a topic called circulatory system. Now here the question says, describe the functions of the main components of blood. So the main components of blood include red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and also plasma. Now this question is carrying 8 marks. So we can start with red blood cell. So number A, we have red blood cells. So red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. Now the function of erythrocytes or red blood cells, these carry oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. So these carry oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. Using a protein called hemoglobin. They also remove carbon dioxide by carrying it back to the lungs. So this is the function of erythrocytes or red blood cells. The other component, it is white blood cell. White blood cells. So the other name for white blood cells, these are also called leukocytes. Now, the function of these, they defend the body against infections. So they defend the body against infections and help protect us from diseases. So this is the function of leukocytes or white blood cells. The other component, we have platelets. Now, platelets, these help in clotting. They help in clotting. So platelets, so these they form clots to stop the bleeding. And help the wound heal. So this is the function of platelets. The other name for platelets is also known as thrombocytes. The other component, that is plasma. So this is the liquid part of blood. And it carries nutrients, hormones, so this carries nutrients, hormones, waste products, and proteins throughout the body. It also helps to regulate body temperature and also maintain blood pressure. And also maintain blood pressure. So these are the components of blood: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and also plasma. So in biology, when answering the questions, we don't write in point forms or bullet form. Make sure you write them in essay. The other question here, question B, they are saying, explain sickle cell anemia and hemophilia as blood disorders in a human being. So this is number B. So sickle cell anemia, this is an inherited disease where a person has abnormal hemoglobin. So this is an inherited disease. Where a person has abnormal hemoglobin. As a result, red blood cells become sickle-shaped. So this disease reduces the capacity of the blood to transport oxygen. To transport oxygen. The other blood disorder, which is hemophilia, now this is an inherited disease where a person bleeds for longer periods than normal. due to poor clotting of blood. So this is how we handle questions in biology. Once you write like this, your essays, you can obtain all the 12 marks. So the first question was carrying 8 marks, and this question here, it was carrying 4 marks. You explain what sickle cell anemia is, that is 2 marks, and also hemophilia, 2 marks.